Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a student discount on Fly Emirates. To be eligible, you must be aged between 16 and 31, a full-time student, and have a valid student ID or acceptance letter from an accredited institution. The discount can only be booked for one student per booking and can't be applied to previously purchased tickets. On the booking page, enter the promo code STUDENT in the promotional offers field. Select your preferred flight from the available options. Now follow the prompts, enter your details, ensuring they match your passport exactly, and then provide your payment information and complete the booking. Now, verify your student status at check-in with your student ID or acceptance letter. Note that eligible students can enjoy up to 10% of economy and business class fares to over 250 destinations until March 31, 2025.